bathroom is in the awkward, ugly stage right now, but we are getting ready to fix that. And I'm pretty excited about this because the bathroom is going to have a different look and feel than the rest of the house. The main part of the house is very bright and airy feeling, and with the bathroom, we're going dark and kind of moody and zen. Is there anything else you'd want to add to that?
Zen?
Hopefully it turns out.
It should. We got this blanket thing down, babe.
I had a dream today. Yes, I had a dream. You were there and oh, you spoke to me. I had to pray, you said. I have to pray and see to find the treasure you've hidden for me. Scatter the seed, you said. I have to sow the seed. Night and day it grows, whether I wake or I'm asleep. Out in the fields of grace, I lay in the field, watching.
I just installed the drain pipe for the vanity. Now we're going to finish up the boards, get everything banged out, and start framing around the windows. We get the vanity installed, get all the plumbing done. We're actually going to have discussion plates going over everything so you won't see any of this stuff.
I'm really excited about how this is turning out. All the wood is up all the way up the wall and across the ceiling now, so we can go ahead and get the windows framed in with the wood, and then we can start sealing everything up with the poly. It looks great. That was definitely the missing touch for the windows.
Yeah.
Finish it off.
It looks good. Now it's time to poly.
Okay.
All right.
Can you guys see this? We are quite literally
In the rainbow.
in the rainbow.
Yeah, it starts right here and goes right across the field. Right on down. That's pretty wild.
Beautiful.
Never seen like this before, have we?
Now.
Looks like the rainbow goes through the back side of that mountain too, right there. You see
It's a
it?
big one, right?
That's pretty wild, man.
Another one.
There's another one on top of it. Can you see that one? Look, there's one right there.
Oh wow, up there too.
And then
Don't worry
there's
about
one
it.
right there.
And it goes to the mountain where it looks too.
Oh, it goes to our yard. It ends right there.
You see that? You didn't know that?
No, it ends.
I know, I see it ends right there.
Dude, you guys gotta go to the end of the rainbow. You're almost there.
Come on, straight back.
Backwards, walk backwards.
There, you're in it. Those are Aaron's dance moves, not mine.
All right, Josh, start drying them off. That's your job.
Yeah, that was great.
Whoop, whoop. First coat done. The polyurethane has dried now. This specific fast drying oil-based polyurethane, the directions say that it needs to dry for 4 to 6 hours before you do a light sand and then apply the next coat. And so
Yes.
since it's the next day, it's obviously been more than 4 to 6
Yeah,
hours.
so next step, we're gonna go ahead and do a light sand real quick and do another coat.
Yes.
That's the plan.
And then let that one dry. Again, repeat that step, a light sand and another coat.
We're gonna go 3 times, right?
Yes, we're doing multiple coats in here, kind of keeping the mindset of that you would have if you were like sealing a deck or like a wooden boat, that sort of thing. And then at that point, it's going to need to dry for 24 hours. Although we're not even walking on it. It's not like with the
It's
wood
not foot traffic,
floors,
so
so
it should be fine.
that doesn't really matter. Nobody's going to be touching it or anything. But it's the same sort of thing that we did with the wood floors.
Yes.
And then we'll be good to go to move on and start installing the lights at that point, right?
Yeah, we got cool lights too.
We do. I'm excited to see how
Yeah.
these look because they're kind of different than anything we've used before.
Yep. There you go. You're getting that math, babe. There's a proper way to put those straps on now, okay? Like this.
You. I'm not surprised you know how to put a strap on.
Oh my goodness. That's uncalled for. While Aaron applies the second coat of poly in the bathroom, I got this box mounted up. I got the driver inside here. This is actually going to run the 12-volt strip lights that goes around the side and the back of the bathroom. We had a design change with everything, with the bathroom, with how we're doing lights, so we're actually pretty much changing a few things up. We put the driver in here. We're going to build an access panel around this thing so you won't see it, but where I'm at is the laundry room / utility room. We're going to have all of our mechanical equipment such as the water heater. Also, we're going to have for the radiated floor, it's be on that back wall, and washer and dryer here, everything. So us having a box here is not going to be an eyesore because this entire room is the pretty much mechanical room. So first, let's get this thing stripped out, bond the box, and get it wired up. What the f? Lights are red. Watch, I'm gonna plug this.
Josh installed the strip lights. As you guys know, you guys saw us put those up last time, but they finally got wired up this time. Josh hit the power to turn it on and...
The red.
The red.
No, it's not even close to the 20.
It's not exactly the look we were going for, I don't think. Right, Josh?
No. I'm not sure how. I had a handful of the regular ones I put up in, I guess, down the entire center of the house. I had some left over, and I didn't realize they were red.
They're red.
They're red.
Very red.
Do you like the lights?
Yeah.
Do you like the red lights?
Yeah.
I hate them.
What's the plan?
Gonna rip them out, obviously.
Well, you work on that, and I'll put the third coat on.
Alright. Sucks.
Your love is a flood and I swim deep when the tide is up. Oh, would you flood me too? So water in my blood has made me taste sweet to the world. Oh, and you taste sweet too. This is my deliverance, hands held high.
Yeah, these work.
You got him.
That's them.
Success.
Yeah, it sucks.
That's all right. We'll fix it.
So I got 16 feet. So I got to cut wherever that is, solder it, cut that length, solder it, done.
Okay. Good job, Ben.
Yeah.
Well, I lay in the sand with sweet forgiveness in my hand. Oh, as a gift from you. Your water floods my brain. This gray cranium won't be the same. Oh, where I've been won't do.
We still need to get the strip lights fixed, but Josh did get the sconce lights installed. They have LED style Edison lamps that combined with the planking give the bathroom an old school mountain feel. The evening was starting to slip away from us, so we headed outside to check on the livestock before dinner and nightfall.
Go straight. Go in the circle. Turn left.
Don't want to bad in there.
You have a lot of eggs, huh?
Yeah.
I'll help you there, sweetie.
In case you've been wondering, Bat back here is Leon's dad, the little lamb that we bottle raised who lives up at the house with us, and he lives in here with his best buddy Bruce, who's been out of his pasture training pen for probably like 4 months or so.
Yeah,
now.
we just moved all the livestock into the woods. We had just had our field baled. We're letting it regrow a little bit. We're hoping for some rain, so we're moving out into the forest. There's a lot of greenery, so trying a lot of new things.
Yes.
So
hopefully we get enough regrowth that we can get a second cutting of hay like normal in the fall.
we'll see. Last year was a bad year for that,
Yes.
though. Hopefully this year is not.
We did our evening rounds. Everybody looks good. There's some thunder off in the distance, so it's the perfect time for us to head inside and get a little bit of dinner.
Yep. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
See ya. Come on, kitty. Storm's coming.